I got blindfolded by Chef Romain to taste test my palate.
Okay, so we have pea shoot.
Let's see how good I am.
I eat this. It's not carrot tops. Okay, I need a small hint if you can give me one.
It's the leaf of a vegetable.
I know that.
That's a hint.
I don't know.
Pea shoot.
Pea shoots. Oh.
This one is pistachio. He has to find it.
Okay, it's a nut. My immediate response or thought was a peanut, but I don't think it's a peanut. I believe that's a cashew.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
That's a pistachio.
What? Oh, crap.
Right here we have white chocolate.
Sweet chocolate.
Be more precise.
White chocolate.
There you go.
Yeah, boy.
Let's do ground cumin now.
I have this in my spice cabinet right now. It's either ground cumin or coriander seeds. I'm going with ground cumin.
Ground cumin.
Yes.
His favorite, the jalapenos Miss Vicky's. If he doesn't find this one, is fired.
Man, who you trying to fool right now?
What is it?
Miss Vicky's jalapeno chips.
She didn't get that one, I would have been mad.
I'm assuming that was some sort of a fruit. Soft, squishy insides. It seemed like it had a thin skin. It reminds me of some sort of cherry tomato. I don't know what that is. Or a berry. I'm gonna say it's some kind of berry. I don't know a lot of berries. I don't know. I'm gonna say a ground berry. I don't know if that's even a thing.
I don't even know.
It sounds like something from Pokemon.
Yes, it's a Pokemon berry. Blueberry.
What? That was a blueberry?
Yes.
It was so big.
Now from our friend Chian, the Thai chili honey.
Woo! I need some water. That's my boys. Hot honey, chili pepper crooks.
Can't forget about the Thai chili pepper.
Fruit, seeds. It's not dragon fruit, it's a kiwi.
Kiwi.
Yes.
Here's the vanilla paste.
I can smell that. Vanilla paste.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Ooh. Man, the pistachio one angered me. Because it was sweet, so I was like, is this a cashew? I think it's a cashew.
Yeah.
Pistachio. Damn it.